Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to read out the questions of board model paper. So recently, Inter board uploaded one model question paper, second year TSBIE second year English paper, model paper uploaded by Inter board recently. That paper, those questions I am going to read out. So section A, first annotations we have: robbing children of their childhood is a criminal act from Dancing in the Rain. Next one, I am your teacher and I am the one you should criticize if I fail to maintain the standards. To Sir with Love, E.R. Braithwaite. Great novels always make one thing because they are pictures of life painted by great minds. Opportunities for Youth by Jawaharlal Nehru. Thought without action is abortion. Action without thought is folly. Same. Opportunities for youth. India will be radiant when our children are free to dance in the rain. Dancing in the rain. Okay. Next, poetry part. So five will be given. Only two we have to answer. Now poetry annotations. I have heard that I can hide a river inside the magical earth. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. Polonius' advice to his son. William Shakespeare. I don't understand why, when I needed you the most, you would leave me footprints in the sand. Mary Stevenson. But I can't breathe this stale air with yesterday's cooking smells. Okay, what kind of place it is? What kind of place? Okay. Uh, Next one. Otherwise, why is the bamboo tasteless and the sugar cane sweet? The Magical Earth by Gulzar Sampurna Singh Karla. Now, questions. What does the writer expect from parents and teachers in the essay Dancing in the Rain? The mere act of aiming at something big makes you big. Elaborate. Opportunities for youth. Why does the teacher emphasize the fact that the students belong to the top class? To Sir with Love. What is happiness according to Jawaharlal Nehru? According to Azim Premji, in what ways is a child different from adults? Now, poetry questions. The earth knows how to do magic. Support the statement with examples from the poem. Sketch briefly the character of Polonius. Does the speaker want to stay at the place for long? Support your answer. What kind of place? Narrate with the Lord says to his precious child about that one set of footprints in the sand. What tricks does the earth show according to Gulzar, the magical earth? Now, non-detailed short stories. How did the customers of the bank at People Nagar react to the news? The boy who broke the bank. Describe the conditions that forced Mallaya to collect Parige late in the evening. Parige story. Vatikota Alvar Swami. Why was Alka unwilling to take up the job? Which incident left her with no choice? The Awakening. Shashi Deshpande. Describe Mallaya's silent wail in the jail. Why did he cry silently? Parige. Why did Nathu grumble to himself? The boy who broke the bank by Ruskin Bond. Now, section B, comprehension passage. One passage is given from my elder brother. Sometimes I start weeping at his rebuke. Sometimes I even wonder who is the author here, who is the narrator here. The younger one is the narrator. Okay, younger brother is the narrator, right? So this is from my elder brother. Another passage, a symbol of selfless service. Palam P. Kalyana Sundaram is a fine example of simple living and high thinking. So one passage from unseen passage. This is from a textbook only. Unseen passage. Palam P. Kalyana Sundaram. This is about that person. Next advertisement about Indian Army and pie chart. Saving endangered species of animals. Pie chart. Now section C, grammar part. Punctuation marks. I didn't learn how to be a father from manuals. Whatever little I learned about being a parent, I learned by observing my children and letting them teach me similarly. Okay, this is from Dancing in the Rain. Wherever I is there, capital letter we have to use. First letter, capital letter like that. Full stop, commas. This is from Dancing in the Rain, punctuation. Now, meanings. Pilot, one who flies aeroplane. Glossary, the list of words with meanings. Teetotaler, one who never drinks alcohol. Veteran, a person with considerable experience, great experience. Antidote, medicine given counteracts with poison. Bouquet, bunch of flowers given as a gift. Now, idioms and phrases. On cloud 9. Today he is on cloud 9 because he got a good job. A piece of cake. Driving is a piece of cake. Driving a car is a piece of cake for me. A night owl. My cousin is a night owl. He always goes to bed very late. Back to square one. Back to square one. So actually, now the vacation is over. Tomorrow onwards, he has to back to the square one. Acid test. So for most of the students, IIT JEE exam is the acid test. An arm and a leg. It cost me an arm and a leg to study in the USA to get the visa for USA, like that. Next, verb pattern. Subject plus have, has, had plus noun. They have a flat. I have a car. He has a bike. Father has a job. Mother has a business. They had a bungalow. We have an online class. We have a test. Like that, we have to write. Very easy. Next, railway reservation form is given. So passengers names, train name, alighting point, boarding point, and day of journey. Okay, so how many beds are required, everything is given. Accordingly, we have to fill in the form. Number answer we have to write. Next, curriculum vitae, teachers required. So physics teachers, English teachers, for any one post we have to apply. For some post male candidates, for some post female candidates are there. Please be careful, go through the advertisement carefully, then accordingly we have to prepare the CV, curriculum vitae. Okay, cover letter is not required. If resume given also, we have to write CV, no problem. Next, 16th one, describing process. So advise your friend about some practical measures that should be taken a couple of days before the onset of public exam. Couple of days before the public exam, what should we do? So about those precautions we have to write. So hall ticket, center, okay, materials, health, everything we have to check. So firstly, secondly, afterwards, nextly, finally, like this link words we have to use. Next, describe how to send a letter by registered post. Go to the post office, give the cover to the counter in charge. He will wait. According to the weight, we have to buy the postal stamps. We have to affix them, paste them on the cover, and we have to enter the from address to address properly. Hand over the cover to the counter in charge. The process will come to an end. Okay. Next, describe the process of making a flower bouquet. Flower bouquet. Next, letter writing. Editor of newspaper. Plantation of trees. About the plantation of trees. Next, letter to the publisher about MSET material. Next, letter to the principal about TC bona fide and conduct certificate. Note making about general knowledge. Uses of general knowledge. How to get general knowledge, like that. The branches of general knowledge, like that. Some points we have to write. GK and its uses. Keep the title GK and its uses. Okay. Yeah. Next, stress marking. Footprints. Compound word in the beginning only. Seashore, compound word in the beginning only. Population, so rule, suffix rule, second rule on L, last second. Accidental, okay, on D. Refugee, E, first rule of suffix on G. Present in the beginning only. Forget on G. About, prefix rule on B, second letter B. Nature in the beginning only. Novel in the beginning only. Okay. Then the last question is dialogue writing. Dialogue between a teacher and a student who has come late to class. Okay, good morning teacher, why are you late today? Teacher, I missed the first bus, the second bus came very late, I am sorry. So every day you are coming late, you are missing the first period, you are losing the first class. First period is very important. Okay, you are at last. Tomorrow onwards you should start early. You should be regular and punctual. Okay teacher, I will follow your advice. Tomorrow onwards I will be in time. Thank you. Okay, now you can come in. Thank you very much teacher. It's my duty. Okay, like that. So next choice is there. Two students discussing their opinion about the importance of communication skills. Importance of English communication skills. How important they are. So in getting jobs, going abroad, in getting visa, cracking the exams, group exams, competitive exams, or TOEFL, GRE, IELTS. Okay, you have to write a small dialogue between two friends. Okay, yeah, hello friend, hello Giri, hello Ravi, like that. Dialogue between principal and student who is applying for leave. Student is applying for leave. Good morning, madam. Good morning. What do you want? I would like to So I request you to grant me leave for 1 week. 1 week? Why? My brother's marriage will take place next Monday, so many guests are coming. I have to take care of the arrangements. Please give me leave for 1 week. What about the studies? Exams are round the corner. Exams are very near. So I will do extra hard work, madam, after reporting back, and I will cover the syllabus. Definitely, I will pass in flying colors. Okay, if you assure me like that, if you give that much of assurance, I will give you leave. I will grant you leave. Thank you very much, madam. It's okay. Like that, we have to write a small dialogue. Okay, 8 to 10 steps. 8 steps minimum. 8 to 10 steps, not more than that. 12 also we can write, but waste of time only. So good beginning, good end, they are required. Okay, this is the board model paper recently uploaded by Interboard. Very easy. So don't depend on this paper only. You have to go through so many papers, and sample paper is given at the end of this textbook. One sample paper is also given, and revision test 1, 2, 3, 4. Four revision tests are there. Try to solve those revision tests also. Very easy. Okay. All the best. Thanks for watching my videos. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind.